Hello, this is a warning. If you use a water flosser, an oral irrigator, you are spraying bacteria, mold, mildew directly into your mouth, and that's not safe. Have you taken a close look at your water flosser lately? You may be in for a surprise. A few spaces to look. First, pull off your attachment. Look in the attachment, look around the attachment, look in the hole the attachment goes into. Mold, mildew, bacteria. That is scary. That's all your old food particles and water, the wetness, the moisture, breeding ground. And you're spraying this right into your mouth. And if you have any type of cuts in your mouth, gingivitis, missing teeth, anything, you are spraying that right into your bloodstream. So here's how we can quickly maintain and clean it. Use some type of denture cleaner tablets. There's basically 3 main ingredients in there that will foam up and clean and kill bacteria in your device. It's as easy as just filling it with warm water, dropping a tablet in, let the tablet do its work. The tablet is basically made out of different salts. Some of the ingredients are called washing powder, and their generic names, their general names, their non-scientific names. But go ahead. This is kind of an alternative to using bleach. I've used bleach before, which can work okay, but it does leave a pungent scent afterwards, which isn't too pleasing. So I'm preferring to use the denture cleaning tablets. After you let it foam up in there really well, you should be spraying it through. Empty the entire reservoir. That way you can let those bicarbonates and things like that flow through the entire system. You don't just want to leave it sitting in the water reservoir and then dump it. That won't accomplish anything. You'll spray it all out. Then you'll want to run through. Maybe even do it a second time if you've totally neglected your water flosser. Run a second tablet through. Couldn't hurt. Then make sure you spray it all out. And you may even want to consider taking off your attachment and dumping some down in there. And you can spray right through the hole even without an attachment in it. That's going to help you in the long run. And you really should make a habit out of doing this, because I showed you, that mold and that mildew. You could, in essence, be spraying that directly into your bloodstream. If you have a cut in your mouth, gingivitis, bleeding gums, anything like that, it's so close to the brain. And your filthy water flosser, your oral irrigator, is just with a jet pulse, putting that right into your system. And it could have bad results. So please clean your water flosser, okay? If you have any tips and tricks, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.